This house is a haunt. Why don't it feel like so? Your eyes don't meet mine. We should let this go. On the last legs, but we're holding on. Never wanna talk about the way we feel. That was the first mistake I feel. Now I only sleep alone to comfort you. Why should we let this